Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I'm so incredibly excited to share this one with you because, yes, it's for our Stamp and Die Hard Club, but it is time to start thinking about our Christmas cards. And when I designed this set, I just kept going further and further and further and further with the idea because I had a lot of ideas in the brain and it just kept going. So make sure you check out the add-ons for this collection because they are mwah, let me just tell you. So let's start first with the club set itself. It is called Charming Christmas because it has a lot of different ornaments on it. So it has a circle big, circle small, and a fun little shape like that. It has a bow that can go on it. It has different things that you can stamp inside them. Mini versions, because you know I'm loving to do the little mini versions for the back of your cards or to decorate your envelopes. And then Holiday Cheer, Merry Christmas, and Be Merry. Now the Be Merry are two different stamps, so you could put them next to each other or the B on top of each other, whatever you want to do. And then all those little extra pieces. Now, I went a little nuts with the dies. I added a lot of extra dies in here. And let me just tell you, I was trying to count them earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 dies. I got 14 dies on this one because what I did was, yes, of course, I gave you the inside die, right? But I also gave you other dies. Like, see those cute little fun dots? Those make a fun little pattern. Now, there are stamps that technically match up with those, but not necessarily. So you're going to either use the dies or the stamps for the dots, but you're going to have so much fun because there's so many pieces here. Now, I'm going to show you a few samples, but you need to stay tuned for the next video that shows the add-on items because the add-on items are taking this to the next level. Let me just tell you, because this is like the generic, the basic, right? But then I take it up a notch and then I take it up even another notch. So here we go. Let's jump in and you're going to see a couple sneak peeks here because the design team went crazy with this one. So here are those fun stamps right there. Different bows, so those are sneak peeks, and you'll notice some stencil pieces in here. Fun, fun, fun. Here's a cute one. Oh, this one's actually, that's a total sneak peek, huh? We're not even looking at that one. Here we go. This one has some of the stencil involved, but there's that big circle on our cute little stocking fold it. Here's a cute one, just so perfectly easy, right? So easy. Use our wide strip dies at the bottom. Be merry. Here we have our cute little ornament with the little bow on top and some scallop circles. So simple, right? This is kind of what I had in mind when I designed it. Not necessarily, I wasn't thinking of a slimline, but this is even better than I was thinking. I love the idea of you being able to hang these. Now, what's really cool is the little tops to these little ornaments do have that little hole so you can hang them with twine if you want to. And look at how adorable with those little stamps make your own background cardstock. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that slimline. The best part about slimlines, my friends, these fit in standard business size envelopes. You have those hanging around, right? Standard business size envelopes, which is fantastic. So my friends, I really, really, really need you to watch the add-on items to this collection because let me just tell you, they are amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, Stamp Club members, yours are already on their way to you. Die Hard Club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you are not in one of our clubs, you are missing out. You can be in our stamp club, which includes a brand new stamp set each month sent to you automatically for $13.99 a month. That includes the stamp set. That includes the 15% discount off of our entire website every time you order, as long as you're a club member, and every item. Any item on our website, you would get your 15% discount. It's like a sale every single time you come to our website. You also earn club points. You get freebies for joining. You get freebies every couple months. We like to send out freebies. And on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website is our way of saying thank you. So go to our website if you're not in the Stamp or Die Hard Club. Go check it out. The best part about it is it's amazing and it's so fun to get Happy Mail. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.